Thank you for your backing on Patreon.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is 7136 update. We're now in starter March. Yeah, starter March. Easy behind the camera's nodding at us, so right. I've got bits of bus in my pocket.
You have a put in mind.
No. So we are at the start of March. The weather's just decided to absolutely hail down. Sun is on the roof, so we'll start with the good bits, the roof. So let's climb this safe ladder, get on the roof. So Connor, I painted the white down, and Connor has just started to paint the red, and will be finished shortly, although it's now hailed on my bus on wet paint.
Oh.
Never mind, it's okay. And you missed a bit.
Needs another coat anyway.
You missed a bit.
Yeah, I know.
So, the top of the bus, currently as today stands, is the best bit. So, the inside looks the same as what it's always looked like. It. But we'll have a now look at what we've actually been doing today, which is why 96's video was delayed. We'll touch on that in a minute. So we started, for its MOT, it needs to have the underbody sorted out on it. And, well, this is what's come off the underbody. And it is a sizable mountain, as you can see, of crap. And the underbody is still not done, and there's still tools under here, Kian. And you can see on the far side, you can see how we started to knock all the crap out of the underbody. However, like this side here, we have a sizable hole there, and running all the way along there we have a selection of holes, you can see. So they're going to get sorted out. They need plating over, sorting out. It will be removed off its blocks for tonight. There's still tools under. There's a lot of tools still under here. So as you can see, we started over there. Kian painted the pipes the other week, so they've been heat painted. Although some of them have been missed. I can see one that's been missed. We've still got heat paint, so it's alright. You see down that side. If I go a bit further under, because the moss is up on blocks, so we can do. You can still see, you can see. I do apologise, I'm trying to aim a torch and show you. You can see how we've been digging away on it. And then we'll go look at the worst side on the other side. Notice the mud flap is still on this side. For now. There's quite a few holes and bits on this side. So we'll just we'll just wander over to this side. My mud flap is there on the floor. There's a physical mountain of crap. Everyone's busy. There is a mountain of crap. Some of this isn't off the bus. Well, it is off the bus, but some of it's just dirt. But then, where the mud flap should be here, as you can see, there is welding needing doing here. Here, all this needs re-welding, banging straight. I mean, it literally just comes off in your hand. So that needs all sorting out. It has been plated before, which is there, but the rest of it's not looking too bad. However, we do have holes on this side here. You just see them there. So yeah, There's a lot to do before we made in Accrington. And there's going to be a lot of money in steel and metal done. When that, like this paintwork here now though, you can see, it does look nice and smooth. It does need another coat because there's a few patches of blue showing through, but that looks now really neat and smooth. Apart from the rubbers, but we could take care of them. It looks better than that, which, as someone said before, it looks like someone spunked on it. This paint, as you can see, is much smoother, much neater. Same on this side as well. Paint is a much better finish. I've got the right badge on. The reversing lights have stopped working again. We know what the issues are there. Other than that, that's it. We've still got lots of work to do. We've got to move the bus forward tonight to get another vehicle in the space I'm stood in now. So I'll film as we move the vehicle, then the update. But any donations to help with the metalwork that needs doing is much appreciated. If anyone knows anyone that can weld, that's willing to give up their time and lives in Manchester, please get in touch and help out. It'd be much appreciated. Every little bit helps. Everything helps out. So the other thing he's done is he's painted in here as well, so everything's got a heat resistant coating on it to stop some of the rusting pipes in here. The ones that are green are factory green, so they've not been touched. There's no point in touching them. But that's about it. That's really all that's been done on the B10. I've not been for 3 weeks, so nothing's really been done. It's been too cold. The only other thing that's been done, it's just hit me. That outside's on fire. Don't get wet. Is the doors. As you can see, we sanded and painted the doors all the way around. Apart from the top there, which needs doing. So we are in the process of tying the bus up and making it look neat, and then the underbody started to be touched at, and it went south very quickly at that point. But we already have the underbody seal. We have quite a bit of that to do it. So yeah, but in here's not even been touched today, and we've still got a ticket machine. So that's back working now, and we've got some good tickets coming out thanks to the guy on Facebook who donated the machines. Oh yeah, radio's been moved, and that's about it really in here. It's just been tidied up a bit. So guys, that's been 7176's update video. This one, you will notice, will go out straight away because we are in dire need of help, and well, no one's seen the bus for ages, so it's a good chance to have an update on it. I know I've sent photos on Instagram of just showing about the bus, but not really had much actually on the channel about the bus. So yeah, that's where we're up to at the moment. It's looking a bit sorry for itself, to be honest, and I'm just thinking money, but you know, we'll get everything welded up and it'll be good, and then in May it will pass its MOT hopefully with flying colours. Stop shaking your head. It will pass its MOT, flying colours, that's our main aim. That's why we're doing the chassis. So yeah, don't forget patrons, you'll have a full in-depth extra pictures and stuff added to your post. If you would like to become a patron, please do click the link below or the card just in the top corner. If you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button just below and the bell notification so you don't miss out on anything, and click good like on this video, and any comments are welcome. Any ideas for anything you want to see, hit us up down there. If you do want to contact us, please, you can find us on Facebook at facebook.com/Mancbuses, where you can email us, and there's about 4 of us that can answer your messages, and we will keep on top of them. If you want to send us anything, then just get in touch. You can also get in touch with admin@mancbuses.com, and again, there's plenty of us that have access and will be able to assist you. Thank you very much for your time and watching. We'll see you later.
There's nothing like it, you'll agree. Just take a ride upon the buses.